I'm now gonna discuss about Java polymorphism in object-oriented programming. So, polymorphism in Java. It is a feature in object-oriented programming to allow us to perform actions, single actions in different ways. It is also has the ability of an object to take on many forms. There are two types of polymorphism. The one is method overloading and the method overriding. Method overloading is writing the same method but with different parameters. As you can see here, there is two method with the same name but has different parameters. In the first method, it has two parameters and will return two integers. In the next method, we have three parameters and will return three integers. As you can see here, in the main method, there is this method, which is the sum of 2 plus 2 will output 4. In this one, this sum method has 2 plus 2 plus 4 and thus will output 8. As you can see, this method with two parameters has been overloaded with this method that has three parameters. That is method overloading. And the next one is the method overriding. A method in subclass which is already present in the parent class. Here in this example, the class animal has a sound method. As you can see in this class animal, it has a sound method which prints the animal is making sound. Now, here is a class horse that extends to the class animal. In this example, I have provided the same implementation to the same method, which is the sound. As you can see, I have made a method here and I have made a method here. Then, the same as the cat class. Now, in the main method, as you can see, in the main method, as you can see, I've created three different objects. And this two method here has overridden the animal sound. As you can see in the output, the first sound is meow, which is this. The second output is neigh, which is this. And the third output, which is the animal sound, which is this. As you can see, this is method overriding. Today I'm going to be demonstrating Java polymorphism. I will be using the GCreator Pro IDE. The first thing I'm going to do is create the classes, which I'm going to have the superclass animal, the subclass which is cat, and a horse. In the superclass, we'll have a sound. Well, in the superclass, we'll have the sound method. Sound, which will display animal is making a sound. In the cat, I'm gonna be overriding the superclass. Lake void sound. System. For it to work, we need to extend first. We need to use the Java inheritance and extend into our superclass. And in the horse, we'll just copy this, paste this, change this, and change the sound of horse that will produce. There we go. Then we'll just make the main class here. Oops, horse. Static void main. I'll have to create 3 object for this to display. My horse, new horse. Animal. Now we have created the 3 objects. We will now display the sounds that they produce. In the cat, I will call the method in cat, then call the method in the horse, and then the animal. Now I'll see if there are errors. There is one error, which is this. Hope that fixes that. Now, as you can see, the process has been completed. Now we'll try to compile and display, and there we go. As you can see, my cat, the object sound has overridden the superclass, which is the animal. As you can see here, if we remove this, for example, we remove the horse sound, the horse sound will return back to the superclass. But if we override the method in the superclass, we can now use the sound method in the subclass. It will turn into nay. Yeah. As you can see, it works.